Ever wondered how generative AI handles massive documents? The secret is chunking. And today, I'll show you why it's a game changer in RAG and AI applications. Chunking means breaking a large document into smaller, meaningful sections, called chunks. Instead of forcing AI to read a 100-page PDF all at once, we split it into bite-sized pieces that fit the model's context window. Without chunking, your AI might miss key details or hallucinate answers. With chunking, the model retrieves precise information, improving accuracy, efficiency, and user experience in Gen AI projects. Chunking strategies. Fixed-size chunks. Great for research papers and technical docs. Semantic chunks. Break at natural boundaries like paragraphs or headings. Sliding window hybrid chunks. Overlap chunks slightly so no context is lost. Perfect for conversations or policies. Imagine you upload your company's HR policy into a chatbot. Without chunking, it gives vague answers. With chunking, it retrieves the exact section about leave policies or reimbursements, boosting trust and usability. So, chunking isn't just about splitting text, it's about making Gen AI smarter, reliable, and scalable. It's the foundation of every RAG pipeline.